Shalom. This is Yair Dabidi speaking to you from Beit Ar, a city on the West Bank in the liberated area of Yehuda in Israel. And we represent Brit Am, Hebrew Nations, an organization that finds the lost 10 tribes amongst Western nations. We don't say that everyone in that area is descended from Israel. We say, but that is where the lost 10 tribes are. As you know, there are originally 12 tribes of Israel. These 12 tribes of Israel divided, they separated into two different kingdoms. The northern kingdom, comprising 10 tribes, was conquered by the Assyrians. It was exiled, and its descendants of these exiles lost consciousness, or lost awareness of who they are. They became the lost 10 tribes of Israel. And but they are mentioned in the Bible, quite frequently in the Bible. They're also mentioned in rabbinical sources. We find them in history, references in historical works. In archaeology, we find traces of them proving who they are. And we have traced their pathways of migration, and through artifacts, through legends, through numerous fields of inquiry, we have proven the lost 10 tribes are now amongst Western nations. And it is important that this fact be made known. A good portion, at least a significant subsection of these peoples belong to the tribes of Israel, and it is important that they be aware of it, that those amongst them who feel some type of curiosity awakening in this direction should know that there's something to it. And that is what we do. We research the subject and we propagate our findings and the findings of others. Any information which is pertinent to it, we try and put it out and get it over to the public. And we do this through our website, we do this through videotapes, we do this in any way we can. We do this through books that we publish. And we also have an email discussion list which is very important to us. Because through it, we receive feedback. First of all, receive feedback from other people, feedback from our subscribers, feedback from people who sympathize with us, who think along the same lines as us, feedback from those for whom our message resonates, has something to say. We receive feedback from them, we receive queries from them, we answer questions. And what the questions that one person have are very often the same queries that others had, so that everything we do is pertinent to other people. So by putting it out on a list, a lot of people receive answers to questions and bemusements and all kinds of subjects concerning their searchings and their deliberations on this matter, and we answer them and talk to them about it. And sometimes we also have discussions and we have debates, and people attack us, believe it or not, and we answer these attacks. And also we through this email discussion group, we also give notifications of new articles, of new videotapes, of new insights, of new information. Also, sometimes the people who subscribe to us have information and insights of their own that prove valuable. They send it to us and we publish it. And so this is a very important tool that we have, that we use. It is good for us, and it is also for the good of the people receiving it. In fact, it is very good. And we attach great importance to it. And we have quite a number of followers, but we want more. And so we are asking you, if you are at all interested, to get in contact with us and to subscribe. And how do you subscribe? You send an email to Yair, Y-A-I-R, strudel at Britam, Britam.org. Yair at Britam.org. Yair at Britam.org. Yair strudel Britam.org. It's quite simple, and in this message you put in the subject line and also in the text, but it's most important in the subject line, you write subscribe, and almost immediately you'll be subscribed. And if you decide for some reason or other, or somewhere along the line that you want to unsubscribe, you don't want to be subscribed anymore, for whatsoever reason whatsoever, you don't have to give them explanations. People subscribe, people unsubscribe. We're used to it. We don't mind. We take this as a fact of life. You just send us a message in the same way as you subscribe. You send another message, unsubscribe. It takes 30 seconds to subscribe, 30 seconds to unsubscribe in exactly the same way. But instead of writing subscribe, you write unsubscribe. 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 Or to subscribe, you write SUBSCRIBE. Subscribe, and you are subscribed, and you receive the message. And then you receive our postings, and we hope you will be pleased with them. Most people are pleased with them because we have that. We know it. We get feedback concerning this. But if you're not, everyone's different, and you can never tell. If you're not, you unsubscribe from us. Also, we do also every now and again send out appeals for contributions. Sometimes it's once in a blue moon. Sometimes it's every week, every 2 weeks, so on, depends. But we send out these appeals. Most people ignore these appeals. We expect them to. And there's no need to give any reason, any explanation. This is the way things work at appeals now and again, because we need the money to function. And we function through contributions and through people purchasing our books. But those who actually do send in money are a very small minority of those we reach out to. So you are welcome to remain part of the great majority who are interested but do not support us. Or if your heart so moves you, you can help us too. At all events, we can send the messages to you, we can subscribe you, and you can judge for yourself. And then this is an offering to you. This is what we are offering to you, the opportunity to subscribe to our email list, to the BritAm email discussion list. Send us a message to yair@britam.org, yair@britam.org. Subscribe, and you will be subscribed. May the Lord God of Israel bless you. Thank you.